everybody! Let's meet our new friend! We'll see all the words first, but when we see them again, some of them will be missing. We have to find the missing words. Are you ready? Here we go! Movie, monkey, thief, cookie, key, money. Level 1. Let's go slow. Are you ready? Here we go! What's missing? The answer is monkey, thief. Monkey, thief. Movie, monkey, thief. Cookie, key, money. Level 2. Let's go fast. Are you ready? Here we go. What's missing? The answer is key. Key. Movie, monkey, thief, cookie, key, money. Level 3. Let's go even faster. Are you ready? Here we go. What's missing? The answer is money. Money. Movie, monkey, thief, cookie, key, money. Level 4. Let's go super fast. Are you ready? Here we go. What's missing? The answer is movie. Movie. You found all the missing words. Great job. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, that's all for today. We'll see you later.